welcome back to my channel if you're a returnee, but if you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Chantel Anyanwu, and I hope you do subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So before I start though, I would like to apologize for the background noise you might be hearing. There's no light, so the generator is on. That's one noise. Then secondly, I'm using the fan because I'm literally melting. The weather is so humid and hot today, I can't even deal. So please just forgive me, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Jumia Nigeria. Thank you so much, Jumia, for sponsoring your girl. It's no news that Jumia Black Friday is the biggest Black Friday sale that goes on in Africa every year. For this year, they are beginning today, the 8th of November, and it runs through to the 29th of November. So every Friday from the 8th to the 29th of November, there is huge sale going on Jumia's website. All you have to do is just to download the Jumia app from the iOS and the Android stores, and you're in. You just have to keep searching for the deals. They have hidden deals of the iPhone 11 Max that's going to go for 1,000 naira. Indomie packets of Indomies for as low as I think 300 naira, and a whole lot of other deals. Guys, if you have to deprive yourself of sleep and just be on their website, sleep there. And yeah, because I love you guys a lot, you watching, my subscriber, I am going to be doing a giveaway alongside this video. I got a bunch of stuff from Jumia, and I decided why not share it with my lovely subscribers, because like you all know, there's love in sharing. So I'm going to be giving out a bunch of things today as I'm showing you. So anything I show you guys and I feel we need to give it out, I'll give it away. I've not seen most of the items here. You and I are going to be seeing it together, and I'll be doing the giveaway alongside. So guys, this is the first box. I got it this morning and it is still very sealed, as you can see here. So you and I are going to be unboxing it together, and you get to see the surprise on my face. This is what it looks like inside. The box is so heavy, guys. I can't even imagine what is inside here. I'm sure it's something that I would like, or some things that I would like actually, because there are more than one. Oh, this looks like a bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Guys, can you see? So this box here, it's called the BF box. BF box is basically a box that Jumia literally picks up for the influencer. For me, so far with this bag alone, I feel like they did a good job. It's just a very sweet gesture. So this is the first item I saw in the box. It's so cute, guys. I actually saw something like this in H&M, but it has the orange snake design. This one is more like the gray and beige color design. I wanted to buy it, but I'm like, do I really need another bag? Because I have a lot of crossbody bags. I just left it, not knowing that God had a special surprise for me in this box. Like I was going to get it again. I really love this one. It looks like this bag that is raining now, that very tiny bag that they say the world's smallest bag. It has that design, and I love the one strap. I'm sure, I hope rather, not I'm sure, that it will have a crossbody longer what they call it, attachment to it, because from here I can see that gold clasp. Can you guys see? So I'm guessing that when I open it, it will have that. You guys, I love this bag a lot. Let me even drop that box and show you guys very well. This is what it looks like inside, and yeah, it has the rope, guys. It has it. I can see myself rocking this over and over again, and bad news, guys, I'm not giving this away to anybody. I've made up my mind. This one I'm going to be using and keeping for myself. But yeah, let me just attach the rope and show you guys how it looks. This is what it looks like with the rope. I love the length of the rope, and it's really adjustable. So if you want it shorter, you can adjust it from here, or if you want it longer, you can do also. And the inside is quite roomy, not an excessively big bag. It can contain your phone, it can contain money, it can contain your credit cards, it can contain a bunch of things actually. It can contain your internet dongle and all of that. Just a very fashionable piece. I love this. I can't wait to style it. I'll show you guys. You guys, so if you're not following me on my Instagram, you might not get to see me styling this. So do yourself a favor, and me too, by following me on my Instagram. I always leave it on the screen right here so you can see how it's actually spelled. Okay? Thank you. The next item in this bag is a wireless headphone, like an AirPod, but not by Apple. Guys, I'm saying this thing small because I just sold my AirPods. I sold my AirPods before I traveled, like 2 weeks before I traveled, and when I traveled I regretted it so much. I wanted to repurchase it, but I'm like, whatever, I'm not buying it again, not knowing again this Holy Spirit and this my God, they just work hand in hand with me. Like, I don't know what to say, but truth be told, I really wanted an AirPod, and here I'm getting this one now, free of charge, courtesy Jumia Nigeria. It's an earbuds, that's what they call it. You guys can see here, and this is what it looks like. It's still sealed, but this is what it should look like when you open it. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys. You know that I have to show you, my body self is even sweating me. So let me open it and yeah, show you how it looks like. I'm tearing the rubber, like tear rubber AirPods. This one is not going to come. You're seeing me tear the rubber. Jumia they've really improved. They have a lot of nice things now, and I'm really proud of them. So it says on the black box, you guys see how slick this box is. It says true wireless superior sound, and when you open it, it has like, it opens up like a book, and this is what it looks like inside. You have this hunk here, this fine man in front, and open it again, it opens up like a book, actually like an album. You have another picture of an athlete here, and then you open this up and you see the items. So these are the earbuds here, and it also comes with a rechargeable USB cable to recharge it, and extra buds for the ears in case that other one becomes stale. And this is what the earbud looks like. Oh my God, like I feel like such a techie person now. Have my iPhone connected to my earbuds with your iWatch and your Apple Watch, everything just in sync. I love it so much. And yeah, I don't want to scatter it, let me just put it small. And yeah, it also comes with a casing inside. Oh yeah, and the casing is a rechargeable one, so you put the earbuds inside just like the AirPods, the Apple ones. Just put it inside here and plug the USB cable to charge it. It's so sleek, guys. I love the color of it. I love that it's in black, not the regular white AirPods that everybody's AirPods. I'm mistaking both of them, but yeah, not like the Apple one that is everywhere and it's white. Even the fake one is white, so nobody knows the difference these days. Just saying. So back to my box. Wow, they've included a cloth. Hey, Jumia. You guys, oh my gosh, this is a black dress. Just a free knee-length black dress. I'm not going to be trying it on here because I'm hot, like I told you guys, and secondly I want you to see it on my Instagram. So when I style it on my Instagram, you have to follow me to see what it actually looks like. But right now I'm just showing you how it looks on camera. It's a polyester black dress, and I know this is going to look bomb on me. I got some neck pieces and I'm going to be accessorizing this dress with it. And what is even busting my head about this dress, that it comes with 2 pockets. Guys, what is a dress without pockets? This is so amazing. I love the A-cut shape. I love the fact that it's going to be a free short dress on me, and I see myself rocking this over and over again, guys. That's not all, guys. There's still a lot of things in this box, and I still have some other items that I picked up myself to show you, so just stay tuned. Do not go anywhere, okay? Wow. This thing is full outfit though, that Jumia just sent to me. Truly, see, you can't believe what I'm about to show you guys. But let me go on ahead. I feel like I'm going to give out this one because I have a lot of the item I'm about to show you. So, ta-da! Sneakers, guys. Sneakers, red sneakers, and you guys know that these what they call them, platform looking sneakers are so in right now. This is a red one, and this is what it looks like. It is so cute. I love the metallic design on it, but sadly I won't be wearing this because I love you guys too much. So I'm going to give it away to somebody. I'll tell you the rules of the giveaway at the end of this video, so just stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win this for yourself or somebody you love. It's so pretty, guys. and this is the rope that comes with it, and it's really cushioned, so when you wear this you don't feel like it's so heavy because it's cushioned very well inside. And yeah, what size is this? This should be my size. It's a size 5, so it's my perfect size, and anybody that wears it size 5, it doesn't necessarily have to be you though. You can win it and dash it to somebody, maybe your sister or somebody. This is what it looks like, both legs together. This is what they look like, and yeah, nice, so cute. Next and last item in this box is this one. I'm guessing this is sunglasses, and I am a sucker for sunglasses, so I might keep this one for myself. I don't know yet. Let's see what it looks like. Woo! I'm giving this away. Do you know why? Because I have the exact same thing on that I got from some website. If you follow my page a lot, you know the website I'm talking about. I cannot mention it here because this is not their video. But yeah, I have this one, but the difference is that with my own, everything is plain. You don't have these dots on this area here and on the handle of the glasses. But it's the same thing. I don't want to try it on now because my face might be a bit wider than whoever is going to get it, so let me not stretch it. But this is what it looks like, and this is needed right now. You really need this, judging by the weather we are going through here in Nigeria. It's been so sunny and humid, and guess what, also it's really fashionable. So if you wear this one, you're definitely going to cause a stare, trust me. So I'm giving this away to 2 things now that I'll be giving away. You guys, am I not nice? Moving on to the next item. Where is it? Yeah, this is another box, and this one I picked up myself from the website, and I know what this is because I was the one that picked it up. Do you get it? I already opened it up to confirm it was what I picked up, so it's not coming to me as a surprise, but it will be to you because I'm going to give it away to. It's a perfume, guys. It's the Arden Beauty Elizabeth Arden Red Door perfume. Is it Red Door? Oh, it's the Elizabeth Arden Beauty perfume. This is it. I don't want to remove the bubble wrap, so it still looks new when whoever wins it does win it. And it is in 100 ml. This is the biggest bottle. I'm going to be giving it away to somebody. I need perfumes here, but I can let it slide. God will always provide for me again. This is part of the giveaway. Be sure to take part in it. You might be the lucky person. So guys, the next item I picked up from the website is this one right here. Let me tear the bubble wrap because this one I bought it for myself. I'm not giving it to anybody. Hold on, I have the scissors here. I'm giving it. Okay, yeah. And this is it. I've wanted this for the longest time. This juice cup, this is what it looks like inside. Yeah, I've wanted this for the longest time, guys, and right now more than ever I needed to have it because I have added a couple of pounds and I want to go full throttle on my weight loss this time. So I needed this for my smoothies, my fruit juices, and every other healthy shit that will be going on in my life for the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 1 year. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, I love this color so much, blue. I thought it was going to be green because I'm not much of a green fan, but I'm happy that this is the color I got. And yeah, this is it. I'm sure most of you have seen this thing online in different brands, but let me just show you how it actually looks and how it actually works. So from here you can press this button, and once you put your fruit and every other thing, maybe with a little water, you just press this and it blends it. It's wireless, so you have to just charge it using the USB cable that comes here, and once the battery is charged you can just take it on the go, put it in your handbag, take it to work. I love that it's very versatile. I can take it around with me without having to drag wires around, you get. So it makes everything easier. And yeah, let me open it. It has the blender blade inside to crush everything, and I heard it also crushes ice, and it's self-wash. So if you want to wash it, just put water and a bit of washing up liquid and blend, and it cleans it out for you. I love it so much. It also comes with a handle to make it easy to carry. Guys, this has to be one of the best things I've gotten in a while because of what I know I need it for. So weight loss is about to be lit for me. I feel. The last and final item in this haul has to be this one. I saved the best for the last, and you guys, it's really huge. So we're going to open it up now. Where's my scissors? Okay. With this haul, I wanted to get a bit of everything from fashion to beauty to household, so you guys can know how big Jumia is and how inclusive their website is of everything you can possibly imagine. So guys, this is it. It is a blender. I got this blender for my mom because the blender in the house is bad. I've always wanted to get another blender, but I've just been pushing it aside because I'm a procrastinator sometimes. So when this opportunity showed up, I just checked on the website, like, okay, I can just get one from Jumia, and I got this one. It's the Sideshow blender, and it comes with a strong new blade. I know that there was one that was there before that doesn't last, but this is like a more modified version of the Sideshow blender, and this is what it looks like inside. It comes with this big one and the machine and two other small ones for your dry products when you want to grind them. I love this one so much. I'm not going to open it to show you guys because, like I said, it's a gift for my mom, so I want to give it to her well sealed like this to appreciate it better. So guys, that's everything I got in this haul. Let us begin the giveaway proper. The rules of this giveaway are very simple. Number one, you just have to be following me on Instagram at Chantel Anyanwu. Number two, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Once you follow me on Instagram and you subscribe to my channel, come back to this video and just comment done. I'll be checking to confirm. To stand a better chance, actually, you have to refer my channel and my Instagram handle to your friends. So if you got someone that followed me on your behalf, the person should just click on the comment section and write done, referred here by so that will increase your chances. I have 3 things I'm giving away in case you missed that. Number 1, the perfume. Number 2, the sneakers. And number 3 is the sunglasses. They are really durable items, guys. You do not want to miss out on this. The giveaway winner will be announced in a couple of weeks, so just stay tuned. And yeah, this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched up to this part and you haven't subscribed, please do so now by clicking on that subscribe button and leave your comments down below which was your best or your worst item out of everything I just showed you. My best out of everything has to be, because I have a couple of best. I love the blender, I love the smoothie maker, I love the earbuds, and I love the bag also. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Share with as many people as possible. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. I love you guys so much. You have no idea. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.